So if the nth term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then its second term is, so here answer is given 18. How it become 18? Let us see here. Now second term means n place you should write 2, a 2 is equal to 24 minus 3 into 2. 24 you should keep as it is, minus 3 2s are 6, so this is equal to 18. Okay, now this is the answer. So next question, the lines represented by 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0 are intersecting lines, then perpendicular lines to each other, parallel lines, coincident lines. So here D option is the correct one. So how it is coincident lines? You know the here 2x plus 3y minus 9, here one equation and this second equation is given. Now a1 by a2, a1 by a2, a1 by a2, here 2 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, so this is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, so answer here we got 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 divided by 6, so this also is equal to 1 by 2. Then c1 by c2 is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 18, so minus minus get cancel, 9 1s are 9 2s are, so here 1 by 2. That means here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So therefore when all are equal, then it is a coincident lines. So here a straight line which passes through 2 points on a circle is, options given here, a chord, a secant, a tangent, the radius. So answer is a secant. So according to the question, a straight line which passes through 2 points on a circle. Now here just here is a one circle. Now here one line is passing, that means this line is intersecting a circle at 2 points, here one and this one point. So here this is said to be a secant. Now if the area of a circle is 49 pi square units, then its perimeter is, so perimeter we have to find here. So answer is given 14 pi units. So how we getting here 14 pi units? Let us see here. We know that area of a circle is formula, area of a circle formula is pi r square, pi r square. Okay, now in question what is given here, area of a circle 49 pi square units, that means 49 pi we will take here. Now both side will cancel pi, then r square is equal to 49, then r is equal to, it become plus or minus 7, so here this is equal to 7 units, 7 units. Now here perimeter of a circle means, perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, now here it is answer, it is given in pi units, 14 pi units. So pi we should keep as it is, 2 into pi we should keep as it is, r value we got 7, 7 2s are 14. So 14 square units. 14 square units. Okay. Now next question, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 30. Two consecutive positive integers is 30. This can be expressed algebraically as, so here answer is x into x plus 1 is equal to 30. When two consecutive positive integer means you should take x and x plus 1, product is given, so you should write x into x plus 1, that is equal to 30. So in this answer is D answer is the correct one. Next question, if a and b are any two positive integers, then HCF a and b into LCM a comma b is equal to, so here HCF into LCM, that is equal to a into b is the correct answer. Next we will go to next question. The value of cos 48 minus sin 42 is, answer is given 0 here. Let us see how we will get the answer 0. Now cos 48 can be written as, now cos 48, what is the question is given here? Question is given cos 48 minus sin 42. Sin 42 degree is given. So what we should do? Now here 42 is here. So this can be written as, now cos 90 minus 42. So cos 90 minus 42 minus sin 42. So here cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. So it become sin 42 minus sin 42, this as it is. Now sin 42 minus sin 42 plus sin 42 minus sin 42. So this is equal to 0. So your answer is 0.